Musamseleku's wives, they can be in stressful marriage, threatening to leave Musamseleku, but they can't leave Musamseleku. Maybe there is something he done to them. Even Makumalo can cry after cry, but she can't leave the marriage. I don't understand why, guys, on Istanbul. You know those people who can have Istanbul, they know because Msamseleku is a traditional person and he knows what he is done to his wives. Makwela can cry. Makwela now, she is not married to Musamseleku. Why she can't leave him and say, I can't do this anymore? Because we saw Makwela was crying on Utando Nestembu and Kat. But Makwela now, she is still with Musamseleku. Makwela was pregnant with Musamseleku's child. Maybe now she has a child, we don't know. Those people, guys, they can't leave Musamseleku. Mangwawe last year was saying she want to leave Musamseleku. She want a divorce. But Mangwawe is still in a marriage. Mayeni is still in a marriage. Mayeni and Musamseleku, there is a lot of things happened between the two of them. But Mayeni is still in that marriage. Makumalo now, because they are changing. On season 8 was Mayeni and Musamseleku. They don't understand each other. On season 7 was Mangwawe and Musamseleku. Season 9 is Makumalo and Musamseleku. Why those wives, they can't leave Musamseleku? There is something, guys, Musamseleku he did to these wives. Why they can't leave him if they know that this marriage is very painful, especially to Makumalo? Because I feel for Makumalo, other wives are better, guys. Makumalo is a very painful. Because, guys, there is something, guys, those men who have got polygamy, most of them, they know what they did to their wives. Their wives, they can't cheat. They can't divorce them. They know that there is something, because they know that their wives, when they cheat, there is something can happen to them. You understand it? So, guys, it's very dangerous when you are in polygamy. You say you are in polygamy. Even Makwela is not staying with the Musamseleku, but she can't cheat to Musamseleku. She can't do that because they know what he did to them. You understand it? Because he knows that even Mangwabe can threatening him that she want to leave what, but he knows deep down that Mangwabe, she is not going anywhere. Musamseleku knows very well. Guys, Musamseleku continue buy houses for Mangwabe because he knows that those people are his wives. Even that's why you saw Musamseleku, he can do whatever he want to do with Makumalo. Makumalo is like a toy now to Musamseleku. It's like a toy because he knows that what he did to Makumalo. Musamseleku is a traditional person, guys. Sometimes people, you can insult me, but Makumalo's family, they have to do something that Makumalo can leave the marriage. Understand it? Because Musamseleku knows that if he ignores Makumalo or he dump Makumalo for 6 months or 1 year without sleeping with her, Makumalo is not going anywhere. Makumalo is not cheating, sleeping with another man. Makumalo is not leaving him. If you can call Makumalo that we can have content, he is using Makumalo. What I saw, Makumalo can come and have a content what, but he knows that deep down he is not in love with Makumalo. Makumalo all the time she was saying yebo baba, everything. Makumalo is tolerating Musamseleku. He knows that when it comes Makumalo, because he is using those wives, Musamseleku using Mangwabe, Makwela for kids because he want to have kids for him, but he knows that to Makumalo she can't have kids. So Makumalo a position because she is intelligent. Musamseleku was using Makumalo for his businesses, to pay the bills, build houses. It's like those wives, guys, they are like toys to him, and he can say whatever he want to say on television. And he knows that those wives, they can't leave him. Guys, polygamy men, they know if he doesn't love that woman, he can dump that woman at any time. But those women, they can't leave him. He knows very well.